The little thing is quite useful. It's an exquisite mini label printer. Obviously, it's served for label printing. A variety of templates for you edit your label. It's easy to use, easy to carry. How to organize your stuff? I suppose you can try the mini printer. It looks like a tiny pie. It reacts quickly and supports you to DIY label style you like. They say the smartphone can do everything. You can say it connects the device easily. Print labels by your phone can save you a lot of time and energy. Try it, you won't regret.